How have you made it beyond 100? What's your secret?
Tell him the secret. Tell him what you have. Tell him the secret. Go on. The truth.
Do you want to know?
The truth.
Go on. How do you make it?
I'm a brandy drinker.
Are you?
Me and Hennessy were great pals. Yeah, it kept
Ginger
me
ale
alive.
as well.
And I'm still doing a little dance.
Good for you. Good for you.
Oh yeah.
I'm absolutely thrilled. It's a privilege to welcome them all here. This is a tradition that has been was re-established by my predecessor, Councillor Emma Blaine, when she was Lord Mayor. And there was such a level of interest. There was a lot of requests that came in post that event. So with all the requests that we received, I decided to host another event here today. And I'm delighted to see so many people have joined. It's an honour to be able to welcome Dubliners who have seen so much over their years, over their lives, to welcome them here to the Mansion House and just to acknowledge them, to acknowledge their contribution to our city. And that's what today is all about.
Hitler took over everything first, and then when we're coming home from Mass on a Sunday morning in early September 1939, we heard that Hitler had invaded Poland and war had broken out. So it went on from there.
So Cormac, I was going to ask you, what do you love about Dublin?
Oh, it's a great city to roam around. There's a huge amount of interesting building, bridges, roads, streets. They're all changing all the time.
Are they?
They are, yeah.
And what changes have you seen?
I think the buses and trams made. I grew up with trams going around up and down Dawson Street, and then the buses came and the routes changed a bit, you know. Yeah. And then the train. I lived out in Rathmine. I got the train to school.
And can I ask how old are you? 100 and...
103 quarter.
103 quarters. Very good, very good.
Single one then. Make sure he's single.
No, I'm married. So I can't. Leaving the rest would not be happy. No, I'm
not married.
I'm not married.
Neither of us are married.
He has been the same.
It's only young.
You're in with a chance there, sweetheart.
How old now are you?
I'm 29.
Not 29.
Only 14.
Come to 19.
Fair enough. Thanks very much.
He's delighted with that, mate.
And I thought you were 65.
Come here. Before we leave.